Hi dear children, in the last sessions we were discussing
a few
separation methods. We learned hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving. What is the specialty of all these methods? Yes, in all these situations we are separating solid mixtures. So these are all methods in which two different solids are getting separated. Do you know cooking? Even if you don't know, you may have seen your parents cooking. You may have noticed that before using the grains, they used to wash. Why do they wash? Yes, in order to remove the dust or some impurities from it. How they are washing? They add water to it and mix it well, then remove the water. Do you know which method is used over there? The method used here is sedimentation and decantation. Whenever we are having an insoluble solid and a liquid, we will be using sedimentation and decantation. Let's see what is sedimentation and decantation. Let's take an example. As I told you, we should have an insoluble solid and a liquid. Here the insoluble solid I am taking is sand. Look here.
add some soil into the water. Now mix it well by stirring it. Now keep it undisturbed for some time. After a while, we observe that the heavy soil settles down, and the process by which the heavier insoluble particles settle down is called sedimentation.
So what is sedimentation?
Sedimentation is the process in which insoluble heavy particles in a liquid are allowed to settle down at the bottom of a container.
After sedimentation, there will be a liquid above the solid. That liquid is called as supernatant liquid. We will be removing the supernatant liquid from the solid by tilting the vessel, and that process is known as decantation, or discarding the supernatant liquid from the mixture is known as decantation. Okay, now let's identify some of the examples for sedimentation and decantation.
Washing of rice and pulses is an example in which we utilize sedimentation and decantation. Yet another example is, you all know that river water becomes turbid when we walk, but after some time it becomes clear. Here also we can see sedimentation process. For separating two immiscible liquids also we can use decantation process. Oil can be separated from water by decantation. For separating two immiscible liquids we may use a separating funnel also. This is a separating funnel in which we are taking two immiscible liquids. After sedimentation process, we may open the nozzle so that the liquid which is below or which is having more density will be flowing out from the separating funnel and can be collected in a conical flask. Then we may close the nozzle of the separating funnel so that the two liquids get separated from each.
Okay, dear children, I hope you understood sedimentation and decantation. So, with this we come to the end of today's session. Read the textbook and learn well. Thank you.